नहमदुहु सल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाउज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा. Today I will teach you three letters sa, za and za. The makhraj for all these letters is same and same spot for pronouncing them. These letters are pronounced from the tip of the tongue and the inner edges of the upper teeth. Sa, zal and za comes out when the tip of the tongue touches the edges of the two top front teeth. While pronouncing sa, touch the tip of the tongue to the edges of the upper teeth and blow with a light sound. Sa, sa, sa. The pronunciation of zal is same as sa. While pronouncing za, touch the tip of the tongue to the edge of the upper teeth and blow with a light sound, same as sa. Zal, za, za. The pronunciation of za is different from za and zal as it is a heavy letter. While pronouncing za, touch the tip of the tongue to the edge of the upper teeth and blow with a very thick and high sound. Za. Za, za. Change only in the tongue, not on the lips. Za, za. While pronouncing za, tongue's backside goes to the upside. It should go to the upside, as it is the back side of the tongue and it is the front side of the tongue. The back side should go to the upside by having a good pronunciation. Za, za. Za. The articulation point of za is that point, the tips of the tongue between the upper teeth. Za, za. As I told you before, that za is very thick and high. So it is different from sa and za because sa and za is thin and light letter. While pronouncing za, the back side have to come on the front side and the tip of the tongue should be between the two upper teeth to pronounce za. The articulation point of the letter to know the makhraj of a letter, take hamza zabar and place to the letter with the sukoon. For example,
za zabar za, za zar zi, za pe zu. Hamza zabar za az, hamza zir za is, hamza peh za uz. Az, is, uz. Sa zabar sa, sa zir si, sa peh su. Hamza zabar sa as, hamza zir sa is, hamza peh sa us. As, is, us. Za zabar za, za zir zi, za peh zu. Hamza zabar za az, hamza zir za is, hamza peh za uz. Az, is, uz.
that's all. The pronunciation of za and sa is easy, but the pronunciation of za is difficult. So you need to do more practice of za. I shall meet you in the next lecture. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.